It's the wonder of nature, baby!
Amazing coloring there, isn't it?
Yeah, look at those Lomadas. I bet those tops have got to be spiking about 40,000.
That's a good thing.
It's a very good thing.
It looks like it's redeveloping right around on the other side. Here's your sun. You might get a rainbow.
Well, the other thing, have you guys looked back towards Diagonal and Mount Air? We've got some big ones coming this way still. So instead of racing to get in front of that one, which is very difficult, why don't we set up for the next ones?
Yeah, Mezzonelle backs that. Those storms back there are probably a lot more favorable. Alright, I guess we'll go further that.
I mean, maybe down the Lamoni? What do you think?
I don't think I've seen a hail spike in Iowa.
Where's the hail spike?
Oh, a hail spike is a radar signature. It shows you that there's monster hail.
Is my drone okay straight above us? I mean, is there...
I don't know, look at it spinning right there.
Other than the
Right
fact
up
that-
top of us.
Oh, yeah. I get that.
That's really spinning. Counterclockwise and clockwise. Look out, look at that. Alright, we're gonna get rained on if we don't move. I'd bring it down.
I am. I don't know where it went.
Seriously?
I don't see it. I'm looking for it. Oh, there it is. It went further back than what I thought. It is. This wind is pushing me. I'm fighting to get 12, 13 miles an hour on without sport mode.
Well, here it comes.
Yeah, I'm coming down. Take me a minute to put this away.
You know, it could be over there on the ground. I just can't tell.
Yeah, it's really low.
Whoa, that was really close. Oh, look at the rain coming. I hope you can put that thing away fast.
Yep.
Because you don't have a minute. Yeah, you don't have a minute. Hey, look at that, right there.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh yeah, get that on video. Make sure you're zooming in on that stuff.
Uh-oh, now it's raining.
Now it's raining. Yep. Gonna get this tucked away.
And then let's go east.
Yeah, it's starting to get more of an inflow.
Yeah, look at the
You wanna go
inflow.
east?
Yeah,
Okay.
east.
So you're betting your money on this.
I'm betting
cell.
my money on this cell. What do you say, John?
It's the most promising right now.
Okay.
We're right next to it.
It just blew up too.
Okay. Keep that camera, Miles.
All right, well, it's gonna start pouring here in a minute. We're gonna get better pictures if we get in front of it.
Well, that's why I tried to talk you guys into getting in front of it earlier.
Oh, feel that cool air. All right, it's gonna start pouring. All right, I'm putting the camera.
Camera's about to fall.
Is it? Oh, thanks.
Oh, no, don't do that.
Yeah. Wouldn't be the first time, but. Oh, yeah.
If there's gonna be a tornado, it's gonna be right there.
How close is that to us?
Couple miles.
I'm tempted to put the drone up. Do we want to jump in and go east some more? That's my thing. I can't, you know.
Going up, yeah, going up and then going up. What's the reason in the back? You got your main updraft right there. It's going up.
Look at the spiral clouds behind it.
Yeah. It's got way too much horizontal rotation. I haven't seen any real significant vertical rotation.
I think it's getting windy up there. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go straight over us and keep it. It looks incredible though.
Look how it's shearing.
Yeah.
Does it look like the apocalypse inbound for the drone?
It's pretty awesome. Yeah, this is pretty cool actually.
Just wait, we could drive through it.
Yeah. Look at that.
No, legally you're not supposed to fly it within how many miles of a thunderstorm?
No, it's not true. 400 yards.
No. Look at the vertical motion on it.
I'm just trying to keep it in one spot.
Look at the whoa.
I got
Oh,
that.
I wish I would have
I got that. Oh, my drone's fighting the wind. You can hear it.
Yeah. It looks really cool in infrared.
See.
Here's a full, that's full spectrum.
Oh, wow.
But here, I'll show you, here's what it looks like in infrared.
Well, that's wild. Then when you edit it, it'll
What,
even be
yeah,
better.
once it's edited.
Oh my goodness.
Look at how it's, that whole thing is spinning. Look from one frame to another.
Oh yeah. We should be able to see that on this video.
You see that, John? That whole thing is spinning. Yeah, here, I'll show you. You can see it on the different pictures. That whole thing is spinning that way. Look at all that dust. Yeah, look at how fast it's moving. All hell is definitely going to break loose.
How soon? Because I'm doing a 21 shot pano.
I don't know.
Well,
It
hopefully this
really
thing can-
depends on how far the gust front is in front of that.
I have no way to know that.
Can you see? You can see the dust on the
I
ground.
can, yeah. How far away is that, you think?
Probably not far, considering you can hear it.
Oh, okay, I'm good. I just finished.
I'd bring it down.
I am. I got a warning for wind. That's wild.
IR. I don't know
Yeah.
about 2 minutes.
Might be sooner.
Cows are running. Look at the turbulence on the front is creating vertical tubes or horizontal shift tubes on the front. I think it's gonna get a little bit windy.
Yeah, and
I want to stand out in it. I want to see how windy that's gonna get. If I'd say it's probably gonna get really windy.
Yeah?
This looks
The
a
only
lot meaner.
part is we might we might regret being out on these semi-gravel mud roads.
It's starting to hail and
Man, I wish I could find some roof or something, some place to park under.
Oh yeah, that's definitely bigger than me.
Whoa! Oh, we got big ale. Oh, crap. Oh, shit. Oh, crap.